Welcome to this JavaScript tutorial. Today, we'll create a program that removes the first and last p characters from a string, if they exist. Let's get started. Our goal is to create a new string based on specific conditions. If the string starts or ends with p, we'll remove it. Otherwise, we'll return the string as is. Here's the function. It checks the first and last characters, adjusts the start and end positions, and returns a modified substring. This approach ensures that we remove only the first and last p characters, while keeping the rest of the string intact. In this case, both the first and last characters are p, therefore they are removed, leaving us with the output string. Here, only the first character is p, therefore it is only removed, resulting in this output string. In this case, there is no p at the start or end. The function returns the string as is. The ES6 version simplifies the logic using ternary operators, making the code shorter and more readable while maintaining functionality. Edge cases include very short strings like p or pp, and strings where p is not at both ends, like EPA. The function handles all scenarios effectively. This program efficiently handles the strings with p at the start or end, and it ensures flexibility while maintaining simplicity in implementation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.